Hi friends, good evening. Today in our class we are going to study and understand about changes in caste system. This can be studied under the caste in pre-independent period and post-independent period. In this class, first we understand the caste in pre-independent period. It may be studied under some of these important points. Introduction of British court. This British court introduced some new principles of justice, according to which all are equal before the law, and the caste panchayat relatively lost their important forms, and they introduced some legislation acts like the Caste Disability Removal Act of 1850, the Hindu Widow Marriage Act of 1856, and the Special Marriage Act of 1872. And the second point is impact of English education, which is based on the principle of education for everyone, based on liberty and education is based on such important form on like liberty, equality and fraternity. It is spread to all the lower strata. It is kind of passport to the new economic opportunities. Members from the lower caste become professional in various field. The third important point is impact of social reform movement, which help to eradicate caste and establish a casteless and classless society. Like some of the important social reforms like Brahma Samaj, Pratna Samaj, the Arya Samaj, and Ramakrishna Mission. And sixth important point is the impact of freedom struggle. Means the growth of nationalist movement it play a great role in the weakening of caste consciousness. The presence of foreign rule was a it is a unit based on national basis, which is we all are equal. We fight against British. A kind of unity was it make growth on everyone individually, and it helped to eradicate caste system. Means so this type of social stratification. The sixth point is the impact of industrialism and urbanization. And the growth of industries destroyed the traditional handicrafts and provide new ways to earn a livelihood. It is develop occupational mobility in the movement from ancestral village to the started breaking down the caste norms, and transport facilities, the especially the trains and buses, the crowded through together millions of people of the caste and left little room for the necessity of ceremonial purity. And typos on food and water gradually weakened when industrial work belonging to various castes started working under one roof and eating at a common canteen. The this in this These important points, which help to eradicate caste system, the social stratification, the kind of social stratification in India. Thanks for listening.